In this video, we will show you the top 4 highly rated travel bags for domestic and international travel. Links to each product can be found in the video description for your convenience. Starting at number 4, we have the Osprey Farpoint 40 travel backpack. This backpack is a favorite among travelers for its versatile design, comfortable carry, and durability. It meets most airline carry-on size restrictions and features a large main compartment with internal compression straps, a padded laptop sleeve, and multiple zippered pockets for organization. With hundreds of positive reviews, it's certainly popular amongst customers. Number 3, we have the increasingly popular Patagonia Black Hole Duffel Bag. The Black Hole Duffel Bag from Patagonia is renowned for its rugged construction and weather-resistant materials. Available in various sizes, it offers ample storage space, multiple carrying options, including backpack straps, and external pockets for easy access to essentials. It can hold copious amounts of clothing and will stand up well to the outdoor elements, mainly snow and rain. This bag has been highly rated among buyers online. Number 2, introducing the TRAVELPRO Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner. TRAVELPRO's Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner is a top choice for frequent flyers seeking durability and organization. It features high-quality ballistic nylon construction, a deluxe suture system to keep garments wrinkle-free, and an integrated USB port for charging devices on the go. Overall, the TRAVELPRO Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner combines durability, organization, and modern conveniences to meet the needs of keen travelers. With its thoughtful design and premium features, it's no wonder that this spinner suitcase has earned a reputation as a top choice for those who frequently take to the skies. Coming in at number 1, Peak Design Travel Backpack 45L. For those who prioritize organization and versatility, the Peak Design Travel Backpack 45L is an excellent option. The Peak Design Travel Backpack 45L is a versatile and meticulously designed backpack that caters to the needs of travelers who prioritize organization and adaptability. The backpack's modular design allows for customizable packing configurations, making it easy to adapt to various travel scenarios and personal preferences. Whether you're packing clothing, camera gear, or other essentials, you can configure the interior layout to suit your specific needs. The Peak Design Travel Backpack 45L is packed with thoughtful features that enhance its functionality and usability. Side access zippers provide quick and easy access to the contents of the backpack, while hidden pockets offer discreet storage for valuables and essentials. Constructed from durable and weather-resistant materials, including 400D nylon canvas with a DWR coating, this backpack is built to withstand the demands of travel. That sums up the top 4 best-rated travel bags. Remember, the links can be found in the description. Please like and subscribe so we can continue to bring you new content.